Money Monday. All the summer fun may have you swiping that credit card more this summer.
And here to make sure cardholders are utilizing all of the options when it comes to decreasing that credit card debt is one of our favorite people. Please welcome back New York Times bestselling author and host of the Money Rehab podcast, Nicole Lapin. Good to see you, my friend.
Hi. Great to see you.
Always get excited when you're here. So let's talk about credit card debt and those fees that are associated with it. You say some of the fees are negotiated?
Everything is negotiable. Everything. The answer is always no if you don't ask. It's your hard-earned money. I would ask for all the things. So when it comes to your credit card, seriously, annual fees, APR, late fees. Those are the basics.
So if you're having too much fun right now because it's summer and there's a lot to do and you say forget to pay your credit card, you say you can negotiate that late fee. Some of them will give you some forgiveness there.
Listen, this is my favorite kind of cardio that I'm getting these days. It's my favorite sport. I just did this for my own annual fees and it worked. So basically call up and say, I'm thinking about closing my card. Don't actually close it, just insinuate it and say, I don't know if I can pay this annual fee. Then ask for the retention department. And sometimes a credit card company has a whole department for this where they'll throw you a bone versus losing you as a customer and say, hey, I really like these perks on my credit card, but do you have any retention offers? If you guys don't remember anything from this segment, remember retention offers when you call your credit card company, and they'll often give you a statement credit or a waiver or reduction in your annual fee or miles. They did this with me. They gave me miles or a statement credit. So my pro tip here is to go online really quickly and check what the monetary value is of those miles and see what's more valuable. In my case, it was actually the miles.
Sounds like a negotiator to me.
That's right.
Multiply as they're telling you the numbers.
Now, what about our annual percentage rates and how do we get them lower?
So I don't know if everybody realizes this, but not all the APRs on our credit card are the same. I know we're not sitting around at drinks like comparing them, but they're all connected to your credit score. They're all personal to your credit score, and it's like a seesaw. So the higher your credit score is, the lower your interest rate, because credit card companies see higher credit scores as somebody who's more likely to pay them back. So that's why they'll get a lower APR. So if you did some credit hygiene, call up your credit card company. And this is an actual call. I'm sorry, millennials, this is not a virtual chat. You actually have to talk to a human and set aside some time here and talk yourself up. Say, I've been an awesome customer. Here's my beautiful brand spanking new credit score.
And this is speaking to a manager. You're supposed to ask to speak to a supervisor.
I would. And if they don't hook you up, you can ask for a temporary reduction of your APR, which could really give some relief if you're going after your credit card debt aggressively.
And it improves your credit score, or can.
If you did improve your credit score, your APR could improve and go lower. It's not set in stone, so just ask.
We should be talking about our credit APRs.
At drinks?
Yeah, why not? It's like, if you got this, then I should get that, right?
Right. Listen, I'm all for it.
Good to know. Nicole, thank you so much for being here with us today. And be sure to listen to the Money Rehab podcast wherever you get your podcasts.
All right, good to see you, friend.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.